Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back again with another video, and today we'll be trying the Korean Ulzzang makeup tutorial. So guys, forgive me if I don't pronounce it correctly, please forgive me. So I just looked up the Korean Ulzzang makeup, and it basically means best face or good looking, and this makeup is just to bring out your natural beauty. So we're going to go for a simple natural kind of makeup or use a dewy foundation. Without wasting time, if you want to see how I do this makeup, then watch this video to the end. So the first thing you're going to do is to start with the foundation. We all know Asians have great skin. If their skin is something to be envious about, you always have glass looking skin, which we don't have. So I'll just be applying my foundation on my face. Okay, before that, if you have any blemishes, any dark spots, you are expected to cover it up. I don't have so much, so I'll just go straight to it. I'll just go in with my foundation. Okay, so I don't want to use too much foundation on my face. I'll just try and distribute the one I have on my brush right now. Yes. Oh my god. Okay, we are done with the foundation right now. The next thing to do is to shape my eyebrows. So the eyebrow is supposed to be straight, like no arch, just a straight eyebrow. I don't know how they do this, so I'm going to try to see how I can make my eyebrows look straight. So I don't know if I'm supposed to use a dark shade of eye pencil or eyebrow filler, or eyebrow pomade, but I'm trying to get my brows straight, but it looks like they are way too stubborn to go straight. So I'll just think we are good enough. Yes. So I'll try to do the other one. Oh my god, it's so hard to follow instructions. Oh god. So we are done with the brows. I don't know how I did. The next step is to apply a nude eyeshadow. Nude eyeshadow. So I'll just use my Morphe 35E eyeshadow palette to do this shade. It looks yellow on camera, but it's a very nude shade. It's more like a bronzy. I'll just apply that. Then for my under eye, I'll be going in with this shimmer shade. How it's done. The next step is to apply a brown eyeliner and make sure it is going downwards. So I still have my eyeliner here with me, and we're going to try this. I got it. So the next thing you're going to do is to contour the jawline and the hairline to make your face look smaller. So I'm going to use my Maybelline Clear Smooth Powder in the shade Cocoa to contour my jawline and my hairline. Hope it's not too dark. Okay. And the hairline. Okay, then after that we are going to use blush. There is no Korean makeup without blush. Next step is to highlight the bridge of your nose to make it look a little wider. So we're going to highlight the bridge of my nose. Okay. Yes. I feel I still look the same even with all the steps I've gone through for this makeup. Then the last step is to apply a bright red lipstick and blend. But before that, you have to coat your lips with a concealer. Guys, we have come to the end of this makeup tutorial. Is this makeup for me? No, I will not carry this kind of makeup out of my house, but at the same time I still look cute. So that's the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.